Alright, so welcome to my new unboxing video. For today we're going to unbox the Iron Man Mark II. So this is the one that Tony Stark built after he escaped from the Ten Rings. This is the one with the LED version. Alright, so let's go ahead with it. So this time I got a box cutter. So as you can see, there's a bubble wrap outside. Bubble wrap outside, and then it's boxed just like before. And then if I'm not mistaken, and if they stay the same, the seller still bubble wraps the actual package inside, like to prevent the actual box of the item from getting damaged. So yeah, so it's like really secured because it's bubble wrapped and it's taped. So be careful with the box cutter, it's very sharp. So kids at home, if you're gonna unbox something like this, please ask assistance from your parents or from an adult. Alright, so as expected, another bubble wrap. But this time I'm going to be more careful because I don't want to be cutting the box too. Gonna do this with surgical precision. Alright. Ooh, yes, I'm so excited. Let's see what we got here. So from this point forward, I'm not going to be using the cutter anymore for this bubble wrap. I'm just going to like ease it out. There you go. And here we go, folks. Iron Man Mark II. You can see the Disney logo right there. See that? Let me turn on the lights and let's see how this goes. Did that do better? Oh no. Let's see. Let's save it. There you go. Mark II, Disney logo. Alright, without any further ado, let's proceed with opening the box. So if I was careful before, I'm going to be even more careful now because I don't want to be like cutting the box. Go see the markings, Mark II, and I don't know if you can see from there on your end, but is it like a whole hologram design on the box? I think the non-LED one is built differently in terms of the box, and when I say it's the LED version, the eyes and the arc reactor on the chest lights up. So like the previous one, the Mark I, the box is also magnetic. Ooh, look at that. And as per usual, there's a tab, you pull it off, hologram design too, and let's unwrap this beauty. marvel at all its handsome build. Ooh, look at that. Isn't it a beauty? So yeah, if you like look at that, I mean the gloss, like the metallic gloss is, to me it's perfect. It's perfectly made. And like when you press this button behind this one behind his back, it should be the one that turns on the turns on the lights for the eyes and the arc reactor. And let's see how it goes. Oopsie daisy, I think there's no battery, or am I doing it wrong? Let's see. Opening the flaps. Oh, dum. This is the button, this one. It's hidden under the flaps. There you go. Look at that. Isn't it handsome? Ooh, like the moment those eyes lit up, it's like, it's go time, baby. It's go time. All right, so let's put this aside for now and let's take a look at the accessories. Just gonna be gentle with this baby, and it comes with, of course, the charger, the cable for you to charge the batteries inside Mark II unit, and it has bajillion kits here. Well, not really a bajillion, but yeah. It always comes with a stand for like if you want to make it pose like he's flying or stuff like that. Box, we're gonna put it aside, and yep, there it is. You got extra pair of hands, like some pliers there. This you can use this for like his feet. You can attach this to the foot if you want to make him look like he's flying, or you can also attach this to the hand like he's firing the repulsor beams. Let's check it out. Let's see. Tape. Oh yeah, there's another tape here. Let's see. There's a cat under my table. Alright. Is it open now? Okay. Oh, I spilled it. Clumsy me. Yeah, so these are the like little repulsor hands. Look at the details in that. And by the way, if I didn't mention it yet, this is another awesome product by ZD Toys. They are by no means a knockoff, by the way. They're an independent company as well, so they don't knock off other brands, and I'm not gonna name those brands anymore. So yeah, different poses for the repulsor hand. See, different posings. This one is like, it shows you the repulsor thingy, and the ones with the holes, let me check. The ones with holes, the one yeah, this one you can attach this to make it look like he's firing the repulsor beam. And then of course we took it out. Yeah, there you go. And the other one, as I mentioned, you can make it like he's firing. Well, since we don't have the hand yet, let's put it here underneath the foot, and you can make it look like he's flying. See, you do that, and you can like put him on this stand. Put it like so. Like this one's better than the first one, the Mark 1, because the Mark 1 model doesn't have a spring powered stand. You have to like manually adjust it or like tighten it, but for this one it's better because you can literally make him you just have to like clamp it. See, the first version doesn't have this, so it goes like that, and then you have this. Dum-dum. You put this, maybe this here. And after 10 years of trying, there you go. And it's time for him to fly. There. So like you can make him look like he's flying if I can manage to make him stand at all. So yeah, it's gonna look like that. He's flying. Let's see if I can do this. There. Oh no, he fell. Yeah. So like you can do this, like make crazy poses or stuff like that. And let's put that aside. And if you want to like make him look like he's firing repulsor blasts, all you gotta do is like, I hope I don't break it. How do I detach this? Yeah, okay, so it's a ball socket, so you just pop that right in. There you go. And then the other one. Pop it in like so. And put the repulsor blasts onto the hands. Like so. Let's like make him do the iconic double blast pose. See? And of course, I forgot to show you the behind. See the flaps, they like flap open and close. And also like the details here on the foot, you see that? Like those air vents. Articulation wise, yeah, I mean he's like fully posable. Even the foot, like the balls, and this is like, I think this is a double joint for the shoulder. Yeah, you can pop it out, pop it in and out. See? And like there. So like if you make him do the iconic Tony Stark pose, Iron Man pose rather, the double blast, like he does when he's surrounded by multiple enemies, and you like turn that on. Ooh. Alright, so I think that's it for my unboxing video for the Mark II version. I'm gonna put the link in the description below where I bought this item, and see you guys in my next unboxing. Have a good one. Peace.